This is Otherworldly. It is a journey into Sweden in a very different state of mind, full of highly unconventional ideas, unusual objects, and extraordinary visions. I've been fascinated by artifacts created and used in otherworldly states of mind for many years, and this lecture introduces some things I found in my own country, Sweden. It explores objects such as the executioner's dress, made by the patient Alice, and Hugo Lindblads' Book of Dreams, Captain Elins' magical tools. It also gazes into the world of the inventor, psychiatric patient, and charlatan Erling Cednäs' mind control machine. It follows the tracks of Swedish folk magic found in the black arts books, and looks at the manic mind map on Ingmar Bergmans' bedside table, and many other captivating stories and objects. Join me on a trip through works by Swedish visionaries, psychiatric patients, prison interns, spiritual explorers, outsiders, and folk prophets, as well as ritual objects made to be used in altered states of mind, such as magic and healing.